Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we will show you the secret how to make your car smell really good and very inexpensive as well. I'm one of those people that I hate my car when it smells bad. I always want to smell good, otherwise I don't feel comfortable, and I found the best way to do that and the cheapest way as well, the long-lasting way. So stay with us and let's go to the product now. Okay guys, so right now, guys, that's the product. Okay, let me show you now. This is essential oil car diffuser. Okay, right here, guys, and they have the one that are this is the girly design. Okay, that's for my wife's car, and we bought two of them because I love those things. Okay, and first I thought that would be cheap plastic, right? But no, that's stainless steel, really good quality, and you have the different parts as well. And I bought two of them, one for my mom's car as well, and I have two in my vehicles, and they work amazing. It comes with replacement parts, so you can place different fragrances. Okay, and let me show you how that thing works. Okay, that's so inexpensive in the long run. Okay, you open it like that. Okay, you have the part. Okay, right here we got some premium essential oils. Okay, and the one I want to use is coconut. Usually I like the coconut tropical ones. Okay, and we got some of the girly ones here. The strawberry is really cool, and the cucumber melon, I like it as well. But all you have to do, just open. Okay, open the diffuser, place a part inside. Okay, you just open it right here, place the part, and all you have to do, get some essential oils. Okay, and that part, guys, it will last you over a year, because when you place about 7-8 drops, I usually do when it's new, it lasts me about a week or two with no problem, and believe me, that thing smells so good. Okay, and it will probably even last you over a year. Okay, and it's very inexpensive in the long run, and you don't have the annoying air fresheners hanging, like especially the tree ones. Okay, I hate those. We used to use them because they smell good, but this is the design, guys, right here. So I'm going to place this one, okay, in the Fiesta, guys. Okay, and all we have to do, okay, you just install it, okay, on the vent. Okay, and it has rubber on it so it doesn't slip. Okay, you can see something little like that make your car smell amazing. I'm telling you, that's probably the best thing I found for keeping the car smelling good. Thank you guys for watching. Just a short video to share with you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.